Want that big time money? Want that big time money? Well, come get that big time money with Nick. Haha. Like and subscribe. Boom! Now, let's go make some money! Nick back here with you with another insane video. Woo! Let's see it. We got $4,428 in 2 days. That's right. Super simple, super easy. Check it out with my man Benjamin here.
Yo, what's up, Learning Machines? We're 2 days into the month here with crack revenue here. And in this method, I want to share with you guys, it is crazy powerful. Basically, no one's ever talked about this stuff, and this can be applied to tons of different offers and verticals out there. This is the power to change your life.
Hey, listen, I've been using this system from Benjamin to get insane results, and it's super easy. And the great thing is, anyone can do it. I mean, anyone. Just click the link in the description, and I'll see you at the top. Let's go!